This 2022 Palomino Puma 3.2 RBFQ is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Palomino is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 10, stovetop burner, awning, skylight, external shower, smoke detector, DVD player, slide-out, water heater, TV, refrigerator, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Palomino Puma 3.2 RBFQ is 8,998 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.